Welcome back to Minimal Momento. Today I will show you 3 ways to update any plain t-shirt. For the first t-shirt, I made a template for a pocket and cut it following the trace line. I did some cuts in the bottom of the pocket sample to fold the edges easily. Then I chose a fabric and pinned the template to it. And I cut it following the lines of the template. Next, I folded back the edges 1 cm. I gave them a good press. Again, I trimmed some of the corners and ironed the pocket. I stitched 2 straight lines on the top of the pocket. Then I folded the shirt in half and made a crease in the center. I placed the pocket 10 cm away from the neck, pinned it and sewed the sides and bottom. The second t-shirt, I folded in half and with my fingers I made a crease. Then I marked the center with an erasable pen. I used a tape to trace a round shape. And traced 2 straight lines towards the top neck. After I cut it following the line. I folded the edge around 1 cm and added some clips to hold it in place. I used this black tape that is 50 cm long, folded in half and cut it. Next, I pinned it to the folded edge on each side. And folded again towards the opposite side, and I sew it all around. To finish, I just made a knot. For the third shirt, I use a transfer paper that comes with easy-to-follow instructions. This paper is meant to be used with inkjet printer. I made this design in Word. First, I tested on a regular paper before I printed on the transfer paper. I made sure to mirror on the printer settings or flip it 180 degrees in Word. Again, I folded the shirt and marked the center. I did the same with the design and lined up with the center of the shirt. I used this cushion under the front side to protect the back of the shirt and just follow the instructions. I let it cool down and tear off the backing paper. Then I used this overlay paper that came with and ironed it again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification to get notified when we upload a new video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and share the video. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Gracias por vernos. No te olvides de suscribirte a nuestro canal. Presiona la campana de notificación para que no te pierdas ninguno de nuestros nuevos videos. No te olvides de dejar tu comentario, darle te gusta y comparte este video. También nos puedes encontrar en Facebook y en Instagram.